If I have to drink tea, it has to be cold.
Oh yeah, yeah. Let me tell you, girl. Yeah. Something about me you should know. It's a fact. I can wait it, girl.
Everything goes white. I can feel the breeze. Euphoric delight. Only you and me. Pour your honey, sickly sweet. Keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Nothing feels as good as you do. If you ever leave, I'll be real sad. Let's both hope that it don't get so bad. Pour your honey sweet, keeps me coming, got me weak. You could kill me, I'd still be. Darling, your number is 6 feet deep. Oh, it's real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescription. Everything goes white. I can feel the breeze. Gonna be real hard to break this habit. It's like I want you 24/7. When I'm without you, boy, I feel sick. Think you work better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions. Better than my prescriptions.
ụwa bụ aja ka mma onye nwere ego ji eme oyibo obidogodi n'ụlọ ụwa bụ aja ka mma onye nwere ego
Morning, how are you all doing? Guys, I know that I have been away for a while, trying to get my life together. Anyways, there's no light here now because I just changed the bulbs. Some technical issues, but I'll fix that today. I have officially moved to my new place. If you guys don't know, or probably you watched my life update already, I moved to a new house. It's a very small apartment. It's a studio apartment, and I've been staying here for 2 days now. So this is basically 1 day. Sorry, this is my second day here, and I love it already. I'm just, trying to enjoy the quietness and all that. So yesterday I went to get a new mattress. I went to get pillows, household items. I've been getting those things anyways on the low, so it's not like, oh, set up my apartment with me kind of thing. I got a new chair as well. There's just so many things I bought, but yeah, I'm not going into that. Anyways, today is going to be a long day. I am heading to the market. Also trying out this Mia Pear vitamin C. I'm trying it out with the hyaluronic acid. I feel like I'm probably getting darker. I got really dark from my last trip to the village, so my skin is just like trying to come back. I hope it does before Christmas, because I'm more I'm going to the market. I want to buy some things from the market. Forget my voice, guys. I just sprayed perf and everything just like for me. Hoping to like buy some food items, because guys, since I moved here I've not cooked and I need to cook because I'm so hungry. Like, I've been buying food because I didn't have some cooking items, cooking equipment. I'm still trying to get the hang of living alone. Last I lived alone was in Manila. Yeah, for a short while. The other day I was like, "Ah, so nobody's actually going to give me food like this, so like for real, for real." Lip gloss. Glasses. I'm just going to put on my hair. Always have gum. 'Cause, I mean, I don't have bad breath for. Always have gum on. Like bone shorts. Something like a bone shirt and it's not very bag. Like, if you live in Nigeria, you know that this bag is actually the market bag. And what do you guys think? We should call I think we should call the vlog Living Alone Vlog. So episode 1, baby. Welcome to episode 1 of Living Alone. Yeah. Let's start this adulting thing again. Hi guys, so I'm back from the market. I just want to show you guys a few things that I did pick. So I picked up this bowl. Okay, yeah, because I needed one extra bowl. The bowl I came here with is pretty small, so yeah, this is a top up. I also picked up this glass from a thrift store. So we have thrift, it's just like where you can go and thrift cookware, so many things. So I thrifted this, and I also got this bowl, this flat plate, because I really wanted a flat plate. I already have some, but they have designs on them, so I wanted one that is like plain. In my house we have like piles of cookwares, but they were like from those days, you get, they didn't really used to have plain plates like this. They were all like how do I explain it, designed plates, and I didn't want that, so I kind of changed that. There's this controversy going on that beans is carbohydrates. Because it's just me, I don't want to pick up too many things because I don't want them to stay and get bad. I'm not a tea person, because some of you don't know, I don't like tea. I don't even drink hot tea to start with. If I have to drink tea, it has to be cold. I'm not a tea girl, so I don't want to buy something that I know will stay here and cake. The Milo will cake, the milk will cake. I don't even take milk like that. From jollof. Yes, she is the potato jollof rice. If you're still sleeping on Cameroon pepper, you're living under a rock. The flavor is amazing. I paid my purchase, so I'm going to have to fill all of this up ASAP.
Oh, yeah. Let me tell you, girl. Yeah. Something about me you should know. It's a fact, I can wear it, girl. I'm the weatherman. Tell me, girl. Was it you that was fucking with me? I couldn't see it too. Then she wanna hit me for the visa, so then I had to hit her with the see ya later. And is she the type to do it for the paper? Never, I don't gotta ask for favors. And every time I do it, feels like I'm addicted to the losing. Feels like I'm a legend in my movie. Guess you know the real me, guess you know the real me. What you gonna do? Pull up on me, attitude and your bad tattoo. what you wanna do.